How to layer ingredients for better blends in Ninja Blast. If your blends come out too chunky or get stuck mid-cycle, the problem might just be the order of your ingredients. Here's how to load the cup for the smoothest results. Number 1. Start with liquids at the bottom. Add water, milk, or juice first. This helps the blades get moving right away and reduces air pockets. If you're guessing measurements, it's easy to get the ratios wrong. A simple measuring cup set can help you prep more consistently. We've linked a reliable one below that works great for smoothies. 2. Then add soft ingredients. Drop in bananas, yogurt, or protein powder next. These mix easily and act as a cushion between the liquids and frozen items. 3. Finish with frozen or hard ingredients on top. Add ice, frozen berries, or other dense items last. This keeps them away from the blades at the start and prevents stalling. 4. Don't go past the max fill line. Overfilling leads to poor blending and possible leaks. Keep it under the line so everything can move freely. 5. Use a gentle shake if needed. If it stalls, pulse once or twice, then give the cup a quick shake and blend again. Following this simple order keeps your Ninja Blast running smoothly and your smoothies consistent. If this helped you get better blends, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.